Chimpanzees are our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom. We share a surprising 98.7% of our DNA with these remarkable primates. This genetic closeness is reflected in their intelligence, which continues to astound scientists and challenge our understanding of the animal mind. From their intricate social interactions to their remarkable problem-solving abilities, chimpanzees offer a glimpse into the evolutionary roots of our own intelligence. Chimpanzees inhabit the forests and savannas of equatorial Africa. They are highly social animals, living in complex communities called troops. These troops can range in size from a few dozen to over 100 individuals. Within these communities, chimpanzees navigate a complex web of relationships, alliances, and power dynamics. Their intelligence is not just a matter of abstract thought, it is deeply intertwined with their survival and well-being. By studying chimpanzees, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of intelligence in the natural world. And perhaps more importantly, we come to understand our own place within the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. One of the most compelling aspects of chimpanzee intelligence is their remarkable problem-solving abilities. These cognitive skills are not merely limited to basic survival needs. Chimpanzees demonstrate a capacity for complex reasoning and innovation. A classic example is their use of tools to access difficult-to-reach food sources. In various parts of Africa, chimpanzees have been observed using sticks to extract termites from their mounds. This seemingly simple task requires a sophisticated understanding of the tool's properties and the insect's behavior. The chimpanzee must select a stick of appropriate length and thickness, then carefully insert it into the termite mound without collapsing the tunnels. This innate ability to use tools effectively was once considered a defining characteristic of humans. However, the discovery of tool use in chimpanzees and other primates has challenged this anthropocentric view. Their problem-solving prowess extends beyond foraging. Chimpanzees have been known to use objects as weapons for defense and even in displays of dominance or aggression. These instances of tool use highlight the adaptability and flexibility of chimpanzee intelligence. They demonstrate a capacity for learning, innovation, and the transmission of knowledge across generations. Chimpanzee societies are complex and dynamic, characterized by intricate webs of relationships, alliances, and power struggles. Navigating this social landscape requires a high degree of social intelligence. Chimpanzees excel in this domain, demonstrating remarkable skills in communication, cooperation, and deception. Communication is fundamental to chimpanzee social life. They employ a diverse repertoire of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body postures to convey a wide range of messages. From warning calls to signal danger to appeasement gestures to diffuse conflict, chimpanzees use communication to maintain social cohesion and navigate the complexities of their hierarchical societies. Cooperation is another hallmark of chimpanzee intelligence. They engage in cooperative hunting, sharing the spoils of their efforts. These hunts often require coordinated strategies and a division of labor, demonstrating a shared understanding of the task at hand. Such cooperative behaviors highlight the importance of social intelligence for survival and success in the chimpanzee world. The use of tools by chimpanzees is one of the most compelling pieces of evidence for their advanced cognitive abilities. This behavior, once considered uniquely human, provides a fascinating window into the evolutionary roots of tool use and its relationship to intelligence. Chimpanzees are highly selective in their choice of tools, demonstrating an understanding of the specific properties required for different tasks. For example, when selecting a stick for termite fishing, a chimpanzee will often choose one that is straight, sturdy, and of appropriate length. This selectivity suggests an ability to plan and think ahead, envisioning the tool's use in achieving a desired outcome. The transmission of tool-using skills across generations is also significant. Young chimpanzees learn by observing their elders, imitating their techniques, and gradually mastering the skills required for successful tool use. This cultural transmission of knowledge highlights the importance of social learning in chimpanzee societies. The science of smarts unveiling chimpanzee cognition. Scientists have employed a range of innovative techniques to study chimpanzee cognition, from field observations to controlled experiments. These studies have yielded valuable insights into the depths of chimpanzee intelligence, revealing their capacity for abstract thought, problem-solving, and even self-awareness. One area of research focuses on numerical competence. Experiments have shown that chimpanzees can learn to recognize and order numbers, even performing simple arithmetic operations. This numerical ability has implications for understanding their spatial reasoning and decision-making processes in the wild. Another fascinating area of study is social cognition. Researchers are exploring chimpanzees' understanding of others' intentions, beliefs, and perspectives. This research sheds light on the evolutionary roots of empathy, cooperation, and deception, traits that are essential for navigating complex social landscapes. Mirror self-awareness in the animal kingdom. The question of whether animals possess self-awareness has intrigued scientists and philosophers for centuries. While definitive answers remain elusive, studies on chimpanzees and other great apes suggest a level of self-recognition that was once thought to be uniquely human. The mirror self-recognition test, developed in the 1970s, has become a classic tool for assessing self-awareness in animals. In this test, an animal is marked with an odorless dye while it is anesthetized or otherwise distracted. Upon waking, the animal is presented with a mirror. If the animal touches or investigates the mark on its body while looking in the mirror, it is taken as evidence of self-recognition. Chimpanzees, along with bonobos, orangutans, and some dolphins, have consistently passed the mirror test, demonstrating an ability to recognize themselves as distinct individuals. This self-awareness has profound implications for understanding their social interactions, emotional experiences, and overall cognitive complexity. Language lessons. Talking the talk. The human capacity for language is often cited as one of the defining features that sets us apart from other animals. While chimpanzees do not possess the vocal apparatus to produce human-like speech, research has shown that they are capable of learning and using symbolic communication systems. In the 1960s, researchers began teaching chimpanzees to communicate using American Sign Language, or ASL. One of the most famous subjects, a chimpanzee named Washoe, learned hundreds of signs and could even combine them into simple sentences. While there is still debate about the complexity and true nature of chimpanzee language abilities, these studies demonstrate their capacity for symbolic representation and communication. They highlight the fluidity of the boundary between human and animal communication, challenging our understanding of language's origins and evolution. Conservation conundrum: protecting our primate cousins. Despite their intelligence and adaptability, chimpanzees are facing a growing number of threats to their survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation, the bushmeat trade, and disease outbreaks are pushing chimpanzee populations towards extinction. Protecting chimpanzees and their habitats is not only a matter of ethical responsibility but also a critical step in preserving biodiversity and the ecological integrity of the planet. Conservation efforts require a multi-pronged approach, including habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, and community-based conservation programs that engage local communities in chimpanzee conservation. By raising awareness about the plight of chimpanzees and supporting conservation initiatives, we can help ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive in the wild for generations to come. Beyond the horizon, the future of chimpanzee research. The study of chimpanzee intelligence is an ongoing and evolving field, with new discoveries constantly reshaping our understanding of these fascinating creatures. As technology advances and research methods become more sophisticated, we can expect even greater insights into the depths of chimpanzee cognition. One promising avenue of research involves the use of non-invasive brain imaging techniques to study chimpanzee brain activity in real time. This could provide unprecedented insights into the neural mechanisms underlying their cognitive abilities, shedding light on the evolutionary roots of intelligence in primates. Another area of interest is the study of chimpanzee culture. By comparing the behaviors and traditions of different chimpanzee communities, researchers hope to gain a deeper understanding of the role of social learning and cultural transmission in shaping chimpanzee behavior. Conclusion: a call to action. The intelligence of chimpanzees is a testament to the remarkable diversity of life on Earth. Their problem-solving skills, complex social interactions, and capacity for tool use and communication challenge our traditional definitions of intelligence and blur the lines between human and animal minds. By understanding and appreciating the intelligence of chimpanzees, we gain a deeper understanding of our own place in the natural world. We recognize the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting the planet's biodiversity. The future of chimpanzees, like that of many other endangered species, depends on our actions. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our ecological footprint, and fostering a greater sense of respect for all life on Earth, we can help ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive in the wild for generations to come.